what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I have my third and final tutorial for the new Pat McGrath Little Baby Mothership collection. So for this last one, I am using the Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition. Of the three, this one is the most warm. I will make sure to link the other two tutorials and my review on all three of the palettes in this collection down below, as well as place them in the cards throughout the video, so be sure you check those out. But anyways, if you want to learn how to do this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so as per usual, I am priming my lids to get ready for what's about to occur. So here is the beautiful palette, and we are taking the warm matte brown, and I'm just applying that in my crease as a transition shade. And then we're going in with this dark shimmery chocolate brown, which isn't that shimmery when you get it on the eye, and I'm blending that into my outer and inner corners and then meeting that. And here's the prettiest color in the palette, this beautiful copper color, and I'm just putting that right where the color isn't, in the middle of the lid, because this is a nice halo eye. And then we're going to take this gold on a small brush and pat that right on the center of the lid. And then we're taking the lightest shade, and I'm going to use that to highlight both my inner and outer corner. Alright, moving out to the face, I'm of course using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And I'm using this NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. And yeah, I put that right on the Mount Everest I had on my face to cover that. Alright, and now I'm using my Maybelline FitMe, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes and blend it out with a sponge as per usual. And I'm going in with my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to just set my entire face with that. To bronze, I'm taking my NARS Board de Plague palette, and I'm just mixing both of the bronzers together. And I'm going to bronze the outer perimeter of my face. And I'm taking my Lorac Pro Contour Kit, and I'm contouring like I do in every single one of my videos. So I'm not going to explain this because I'm annoying. Alright, I'm taking this blush from my Tarte Blush Bazzer palette. It's just a pretty peach color, and I'm putting that on the apples of my cheek. And then I'm mixing these two colors from that NARS palette again, and we are going to highlight everywhere that you highlight. And I am now using my MAC Fix Plus to set everything together. Alright, so going back to the palette, I'm taking that matte warm brown, and I'm going to put that on the inner and outer portions of my lower lash line. And then we're taking the dark color, but I'm just only going to put this on the outer portion because I don't want it to close my eyes too much. And I'm dipping a small brush into the copper color and putting that right in the center of my lower lash line. And then of course finishing off with this bright gold color. And then I'm going about my normal mascara routine. Yeah, you know how to put on mascara, I hope. Okay, so last second, totally decided to put on glitter. So what I do is I pat some of Too Faced glitter glue on my lid, and then I'm taking this Pat McGrath nude glitter, and I'm just lightly patting that in the center of my lid. Make sure your head is tilted back so you don't make as much of a mess, because I totally did this in the wrong order because I don't know how to make up my mind. Yeah. And here I am trying to wipe away the mess I made off my face. Alright, so the lashes I'm using are by Lilly Lashes in the style Miami. And I'm just gonna do that, you know. And finally, lips, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Knotty, spelled K-N-O-T-T-Y. And then I wanted a little more definition in my lips, so I'm using Spice Lip Liner by MAC. And then after this, you're all done. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope you guys check out the other 2 tutorials I have for these 3 palettes, as well as the review. Honestly, these are so great, and I love this palette. This one, low-key, I think is my favorite. Either this one or the Vie En Rose. I don't know. But I love this either way, and I love this look. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, you comment down below, and you subscribe, of course, to my channel for more. And yeah, that's a wrap. I will see you guys later. Bye.